So my three P's, they're publicity, partnerships, and promotion. So I believe that everyone can benefit from publicity. It's truly the fastest way to kind of develop that celebrity brand, to have that instant credibility. Some people try to build credibility by growing an Instagram following, but trust me, it's way easier to get 2 pieces of media than to get 50,000 followers on Instagram. Publicity, visibility, right? So that's number one. The first P is publicity. The second P is partnerships. And I know that, Carrie, you're such a win-win relationship minded person too. And that's how I grew my business. I connected with people. I added value to them. They had an experience of my work. And so they're able to share it with more people. And then the third part is promotions, because you can have like the relationships, you can have the visibility, but none of that matters in growing your business if you don't have an offer that you love and a proven process to get people inside those offers.